am not naturally intelligent and I still get the top grades while putting in less time and effort than my smarter classmates. And I'm here to share the revision hack that allows me to do that. If you don't know me, my name's Tilly. I got 5 A stars in my A-levels, I got majority grade 9s at GCSE, I did get 2 A's. And this study hack will save you time, save you effort and help increase your grades. So trust me when I say you're going to want to save it for later, and while you're at it, follow for daily study tips. If you have seen any of my previous videos, you'll understand the emphasis I place on doing practice papers, and particularly practice questions, whether this be from a practice paper or even just from the textbook. It's so important to apply your knowledge. It's a great form of active recall and it helps you understand how to answer the exam. But the thing is, especially doing textbook questions, never start from question 1. So let's say I'm trying to revise expanding brackets in GCSE maths. I would not start from question 1 because I can very happily do that. I would start from the last question or maybe 2 questions, the hardest ones. And oftentimes in the textbook, they will actually put the hardest questions into a problem solving format. So they'll mix it with other topics as well, like they would in the hardest questions in the exam. Why should you start with this though? Because at the end of the day, if you can happily do the hardest questions in that textbook, in those practice papers, you don't need to waste your time doing the easier ones. As a matter of fact, if you're just doing the easy questions for the sake of getting them done, you're just going to be bored. You can save yourself so much time if you just do the hardest questions, because then that identifies whether you actually understand the topic or not. This isn't just for maths, this can be for science, this can be for economics, it can be for literally any subject at any level. Whereas in essay subjects, the questions don't normally increase in difficulty necessarily when you're doing a topic, but you will find there are specific questions that you might find more difficult to answer. Focus on doing them first and foremost, and constantly be challenging yourself. You should constantly feel like your brain is working overtime when you're doing practice paper questions. Because at the end of the day, if you're not failing, you're not improving. So study smarter, not harder. Save this video for later and follow for more daily study tips.